Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox the RoboVac 35C robot vacuum made by Eufy. So the 35C sits at the lower end of the Eufy robot vacuum range. It sits just above the 11S. And primarily the difference is the Wi-Fi capabilities. So even though this robot is about $60 more expensive right now, we think it's actually worth it to be able to connect to Wi-Fi. If we look at the box, it connects to the Eufy Home app. It's super slim, and so it can go under low-hanging furniture, which some other robots can't do as well. It's got Boost IQ technology, whatever that means. It comes with boundary strips, so you can manually put these strips around your house if you want to corner off areas that you don't want the vacuum going into. It's got 3 times stronger suction power. Had to do a little bit of research to figure out 3 times stronger than what, and it turns out 3 times stronger than the RoboVac 10, which was quite an older version. One thing also to note about this robot, it doesn't actually remember the floor plan, so we would say it's more suited for smaller homes or apartments rather than larger homes, but still a really good option if you have one of those homes. If you look at the back, there's 1500 pascals of suction power. The Boost IQ technology is the automatic increase of suction power from hard floor to carpet, which is quite interesting, and there's a bit of other information on the back, but I'm sure we'll go into that later. For now, let's just open it up and see what's inside. Okay, great. So now we have everything we need to start using this robot vacuum, but quickly I thought I'd just walk through some first impressions. So as you can see, it's quite a lot smaller and more compact than other robot vacuums I've seen. And I like the black. I think it looks quite chic, but I will say I think this will be unforgiving to mark some fingerprints on the top there. Pretty reflective. I like the buttons set out here like this. You've obviously got your Wi-Fi light, your start, stop cleaning, your spot cleaning, return to base buttons, and they're set out quite nicely. The infrared sensor also looks quite good along this bumper at the front here. If we look under the bottom, we just see your charging pins. These are where the 2 side brushes go, so pop them on, and then again we have the blue main brush. Like, it feels quite durable. The wheels, they feel pretty good too. We can see the dustbin at the front that pops out like this, and you can just empty it by opening it, closing it, and putting it back in the front. Here's the remote. It seems pretty easy to use, and we've even got a list of what each of the functions mean on the back. So let's see how this thing works.